everybody, welcome back. It's been about 3 weeks now. We're going to do an update video real fast on our plants. You can see most of them are taking off very well. We even have some more saplings down there, or seedlings back there in the back that are taking off. But today what we're going to talk about is when to replace the water for your plants. Now, most of the plants you don't need to do this on. Anything like lettuce or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it. But however, when you have something like a carrot or beans or tomatoes, stuff like that, you're going to have to replace the water every now and then. Now this is an old pot here. We actually have already moved over our tomato. But what happened is you can kind of see here, the water kind of gets mucky and dirty, and it kind of gets kind of clear, and all the stuff settles down on the bottom. About this time is when you want to change out the water because most of the nutrients are gone. So what you're going to do is you basically just take another pot or another jar, and you're just going to dip it into your nutrient solution the same as last time. Alright? If you guys have forgotten how to mix it, just go ahead and watch back of that video. It's really easy. You want to fill up about a little bit more than halfway. And you just take your plant. You can see too right here, you can see the root of the plant. I always think that's pretty cool. You can kind of see the roots sticking out there. Okay? And you just got to sit them right back in the next pot. It's that easy. We have that ring on there. Might as well just turn them on a little bit. And you can see the difference in the water just by a couple weeks. You can see how clear this one looks and how nasty this one is looking. You kind of want to switch it out when it gets looking like this one here. So it's the same kind of deal with all the different pots. It's really nice, simple, easy. If you guys have any questions, put it down in the comments section down below. And hopefully that answers any of your questions. Oh, and you can see too on this one, you guys want a better picture of the roots. This is one of the bean plants. You can kind of see it's really tunneling down in there, getting a lot of water. So these bean plants are starting to take up a lot of water, and you're going to have to end up replacing the water pretty often after a little bit. The other day we had a plant that was up there that had about this much water left in it, and by the end of the day it was gone. So you have to keep an eye on these guys. But again, this is one that had a little black sock on there, so the water's not as bad, but he'll probably want to be switched out here soon too. So, alright everybody, again, if you guys have any questions, put it down in the comment section down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.